do that.
Don't.
Why are you putting handcuff on me?
Because you're under arrest.
On February 4, 2024 at 1:12 a.m., a sheriff's deputy conducted ticket verification sweep at an airport terminal. The sweep produced a trespass arrest, a racial profiling complaint, and 3 significant constitutional questions. This analysis focuses on those legal questions under Florida law and applicable federal constitutional doctrine.
How are you?
Excuse me. Oh, God, you're bugging. I have my ticket to... Okay, this is the thing that I'm having a problem with. The homeless people that do not have a ticket to be here, neither yesterday or today, you guys are not getting them out of here.
Well, that's what I'm going to do right now. So
say that again?
That's what I'm going to do right now. So.
All right, okay, I see what you're saying. But there was a woman that yesterday she was here, she's here again today, but whatever. You say you're going to take care of it, whatever. But they've been here all day and all night. It's a serious problem that they're not supposed to...
Not a problem. Do you have your ticket?
Oh, yes, I do. And then what I'm saying is, give me a second, though. I already had my ticket.
Okay, so but I just need to see it so I can leave you alone. If you have the ticket, then we're good to go, and nothing will happen.
I just said I have it. I said I have it, so let me go get it. It's not like it's something I have it in my lap, right?
Yeah, just grab it from your possessions, and then I verify.
And then I need to be left alone for the rest of the night. So I'm saying to you, Sheriff, the both of you, make sure you tell the rest of your people.
Yep, we're doing it to everybody. Yep.
I got with my travel yesterday.
No problem. Just grab that so I can leave you alone.
You know what I'm saying to you? This stuff needs to be recorded.
It is recorded.
Right, but I'm just saying that I'm telling you the facts here that 2 times I got approached when I should have never been approached.
Got it.
I was being sexually harassed all day yesterday when I was getting my bags together.
Okay.
And I want people to understand that I'm getting the this country. I don't want to be here. I'm tired of people like you bothering me.
Perfect. We're not gonna bother. Once you show me that, then I can leave you alone.
I want nothing to do with this place, man. The fucking harassment is this jealousy because I got too much flash as you can see.
Okay.
Pathetic, man. I'm the only person that you guys are coming up to that's a passenger. I don't see you going up to no white passenger asking them for no ticket. And that's another shit that I'm gonna problem with when they be on the ground, sleeping, or if they're at the park, whatever. You're not bothered with them. It's always I'm just coming from me because I'm black and I'm a woman. And I have so much stuff. So that's what I'm saying. People that are serious issues here. Why are you not going up to every passenger that's here? Every time I got to go in my bag, I could be losing my passport. I could lose shit.
Okay,
It's
perfect.
the third time now that I gotta be taking this stuff out. When I've already taken it out, I'm the same person. I haven't changed. It's the same luggage, same.
That's awesome. I just need to see that, and then I can leave you
but I'm
alone.
just saying that y'all already know I got my stuff to be here, and you keep on coming still up in my face. And why aren't you going to any white person and asking them where this shit at?
I haven't seen any white people yet, so when I see
you haven't seen no white people traveling here? Oh, So as you can see, the date, February 4th, which is supposed to be today. I don't know what time it is, and my flight is a non-stop flight. And this is that's me.
At 12. Okay,
that's
cool.
the only. They don't have several flights out the country.
Perfect. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Yep. Oh, okay. Hello, ma'am. Good morning. How are you? Hello. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Deputy Leon with the Sheriff's Office. How you doing, sir? It's 1:12 in the morning. Do you guys have like tickets or anything like that? Just stay right there, my man. Just give me a second. All right? You have a ticket and stuff to like that you're gonna catch a flight? Did you miss a flight or something? You missed your flight? All right, not a problem, my man. Do you have like a ticket or something to show that you got like a flight or anything like that? What's up?
I just came from the stop over there.
Okay, not a problem, dude. We'll get you moving. Do you have a ticket? Do you have a reason to be here at the airport?
Oh yeah, I'm waiting for the other stop. So.
Okay, where are you flying to?
I have to get to the other side.
Okay, but where are you flying to?
I'm not flying.
Okay, so are you homeless or are you just sleeping here?
No, I'm just waiting for a ticket.
You're waiting for a ticket?
Yeah.
Okay, do you have a ticket on you?
Oh, no.
You're gonna buy a ticket?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Ma'am, good morning, ma'am, how are you? Do you have a ticket or anything like that to catch a flight later on today? Do you have a ticket to go fly today?
Unattended luggage will be removed and may be discarded.
I don't have
Do not accept or transport any
Okay,
luggage.
have you been trespass warned from the airport?
Subject A admitted she had no ticket and was not flying. She confirmed she lacked any lawful airport purpose. Combined with documented prior trespass history, those admissions satisfied probable cause under Illinois v. Gates, 1983. Subject A's belief that her verbal explanation negated the arrest reflects a misunderstanding of Fourth Amendment doctrine. The Fourth Amendment requires probable cause, not a pre-arrest hearing, before a warrantless misdemeanor arrest may be executed. Due process does not create a right to explain oneself before being placed under arrest on established probable cause. The deputy offered Subject A the opportunity to explain. Her response, waiting for luggage, was verbal and unsupported by documentation. Verbal assertions, unsupported by evidence, do not defeat probable cause once it has been independently established.
Prohibits the transport of any weapons through an airport security checkpoint.
I was sent
Transporting
to
weapons
the
through a security checkpoint.
You were sent where?
A criminal prosecution.
Okay, do you have your license or your ID with you? Can I borrow it for 1 second, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
And towed at the owner's expense.
Let's not have a repeat of the other night. Please.
Yep, you're gonna get your ID in
Stand
a
up
minute.
for us. Stand up.
Yep, just go ahead and put all your property down. Yep, just put your property down, please. Okay, do me a favor, just turn around. Turn around. Thank you, thank you. Please turn around. Don't fight me. Just go ahead, turn around. Put both hands behind your back. Thank you so much. Don't do that. Don't.
Why are you putting handcuff on me? Just
Because you're under arrest.
Oh, no more conform against me so fast ahead. I try to explain to you why I'm here. I was sent here for a reason.
Yep.
I explained to you why I'm here.
You did not.
I tried to tell you. You didn't give me a chance to explain. Please don't put handcuffs on me, sir. Please. Please don't. I'm begging you. Don't do that.
There you go.
Please don't do that. I'm here for a reason. I'm trying to tell you.
Okay. Well, right now you can't. You're not supposed to be doing what you're doing. You're borderline resisting arrest right now.
What are we doing? I'm not asking why are you doing that. I have to tell you. Where's my time, sir?
Huh? Trespass after warning.
No, I'm not trespassing.
Yes, you are. You've
I
been
was
officially
told to
trespassed.
stay here.
You've been officially trespassed from the airport.
Sir, I'm not trespassing. I'm trying to explain to you why I'm here.
Okay. You don't have a ticket to go
Sir,
anywhere.
I try to explain. You're not giving me a chance.
Okay, so go ahead and explain. Do you have a ticket to go somewhere?
I'm waiting for my luggage.
Okay. No problem. You're under arrest for trespass after warning.
I'm waiting for my
Adult
luggage.
female, 1050.
I came here for my luggage. And I don't know why you do it.
Officer 20
I
responded.
try to explain to you, and I give you all everything I can explain to you. So somebody sent you to lock me up here?
There is a directive here at the airport. There are people who keep on trespassing here after they've been told to leave.
Sir, I'm
Ma'am.
not trespassing. I'm trying to tell
Yes,
you
sir.
something.
Yep, you said you're waiting for your luggage.
I tried to explain to you, but you didn't give me a chance.
Okay. A month ago, you fought a deputy here for the same reason.
I what?
A deputy, a police officer. You fought a police officer.
Wait. If you're trying to explain about something that I'm listening to you, I'm trying to explain. Shoes, you know, you keep on making a mistake.
Here, man. Just like this. You need some
Please,
shoes.
put my stuff.
your shoes.
Please take this thing off.
No, it's not coming off. It's already
For
done,
the
man.
love of God, I asked them.
It's too late. Let's put on
Sir,
your shoes.
I try to explain to you why I'm here.
It's too late. Put on your shoes.
What is late?
It's too late. You've been arrested.
Why you arresting me?
He just told you.
No, you're not
Not
gonna
come-
tell me why you're doing that.
Don't come back. Don't come back and camp out.
I'm not camping. I'm not camping. I'm here for a reason, sir.
Documented that you were
Sir,
told that
I'm here. Let me explain.
it's okay.
You see me
We're gonna take it
here.
in jail, okay?
You want to put me in jail for what?
Trespass after warning.
Stop. Let me explain. I try to explain to you, you're not letting me explain. So you doing things that are wrong. And listen. Look at that envelope right there. There's an envelope right there. I'm trying to explain to you why I'm here. The paperwork right there. There's a paperwork right there. Can you look at it before you do anything else? There's a paperwork in that envelope.
Your insurance?
No, there's a paperwork inside that envelope, sir.
Yes, your insurance.
No, there's something else. Look at the paperwork what it says.
Call clerk of courts for probation.
Yes, look at the paperwork, please.
This one needs to report to probation?
If you want me to leave, I could leave. I'm trying to tell you I'm here for a reason. But you never look at the paperwork.
I did. You have
No, you're
insurance
not looking
paperwork,
at
which I'm technically not supposed to look
Look
at.
at the clock paperwork, sir. Then you'll understand. Can you please look at it?
Your charges from your December arrest.
What's the charge?
Trespass after warning.
And you're back again at the same place.
And resist officer without violence. Upon your release, you will be receiving your court date. So,
So why are we doing this?
because you are committing the same crime.
Same time that
This is not a crime, sir.
It is the same
It's
crime.
not a crime.
It is a crime.
It's not.
trespass?
Because I'm not the only person here.
I
If
spoke
you
to
say
that
I'm
guy.
trespassing,
That guy got a trespass
look
warrant.
down there. Look behind you.
Okay, no problem.
Please look behind you. Down.
There is zero
Sir,
tolerance.
look behind you. Look down the floor. Not here, down there. You don't see people sleeping down there?
There is zero tolerance. After I'm done with you, I'm
Sir.
going to them.
It's not making any sense.
It
You're
is.
attacking me for the second time, talking about trespass.
Okay.
This house belongs to God, not yours. This house belongs to God.
Okay.
And you just in the wrong person.
All right, no worries. So
Yeah,
this can go. This can go with her to the jail. All right,
Please
we'll
put
take
my,
this.
please
We'll
put my
come-
things together. I don't want to have to.
Sorry. Let's just take her to your car, so I can do and we'll take
Take
it.
the handcuff
Give me
over.
one second. We'll go 1019 so I can finish out the paperwork. We'll do the property receipts
Stop.
and all that stuff, and then we're good to go. Between the people, the guy saying 1,000 things on the radio, her spitting out like nonsense.
My stuff, please.
I'm coming back for it. I'm coming back for it. Give me a second.
Why are you taking my pen? Why are you wasting your time?
They pay us to leave money.
Huh?
Pinnock, where?
my car is hooked up.
Florida Statute Section 810-08 criminalizes remaining in a structure without authorization after a formal trespass warning. The prior warning elevates the offense to a first-degree misdemeanor, authorizing full custodial arrest, not merely a citation. Florida Statute Section 901-15 permits warrantless arrest upon probable cause for a misdemeanor committed in the officer's presence. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, force is evaluated from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision, not in hindsight. Subject A hesitated when commanded to turn around and resisted handcuffing verbally and physically without resorting to violence. This conduct satisfies the elements of Florida Statute Section 810-43-2, resisting an officer without violence during lawful execution of duty. The deputy's force remained proportionate. Verbal commands followed by handcuffing. No chemical agents or impact tools were deployed. The December arrest paperwork Subject A produced confirmed, not refuted, the prior trespass warning predicate for tonight's charge. Subject B, a ticketed black passenger, alleged selective enforcement. Officers approached her but not white travelers in the same terminal. Under Village of Willowbrook v. Olek, 2000, equal protection requires proof that similarly situated individuals were treated differently. The deputy's response, that no other travelers were encountered nearby, is plausible on the footage but not independently verifiable. The allegation warrants formal documentation. The footage alone is insufficient to establish discriminatory intent under current doctrine. Deputy Duane receives a B+. The arrest was legally grounded, force was proportionate, and professionalism was maintained throughout. The deduction reflects a failure to review Subject A's offered documentation before completing arrest, a procedural gap with potential legal exposure. Subject A receives a D. She returned to a trespass location without authorization or any supporting documentation. Her resistance mirrors the prior December charge pattern, creating compounding legal jeopardy on a second arrest. Subject B receives a B. Her assertion of constitutional rights was substantively correct and civilly exercised after the initial escalation. However, insufficient evidence in this footage supports a 14th Amendment selective enforcement claim beyond the allegation itself. Lesson 1. A verbal explanation during arrest does not create a legal right to release. Document your lawful purpose before you arrive. Lesson 2. Officers must review offered documentation before completing a discretionary arrest to avoid Fourth Amendment exposure. Lesson 3. Civil rights claims for specific indicators, not general disparity allegations, to survive constitutional scrutiny. Lesson 4. Repeated conduct resulting in arrest is treated as a behavioral pattern by courts, not as isolated independent incidents. The February 4th arrest outcome remains unknown. The December arrest disposition is likewise unconfirmed in available public records. Let us know if there is a legal topic or police interaction you would like analyzed in the comments below. Thank you for watching.